In this video, I'm going to show you how we can turn this blog post, the blog post you're seeing here, into a video. And all this, we are going to use an AI tool to do that. So the first thing you need to do is to get the URL of the blog post. So we have the URL here. I'll go ahead and copy it. Now, for us to convert this blog post, as you can see here, into a video, we are going to use a tool called Flexclip, and this is Flexclip. Go ahead and log in or sign up if you are new to it. And you can do this using your Google account. So I'll go ahead and sign up with mine. And here I am signed up into mine. And we have quite a number of AI tools. If I click on this, you can see we have a number of AI tools. And I'm looking for one that can convert a blog post into a video. So if you can't find it here, go ahead and tap on your account. Your account will be here. And then select on my account. Then hover over these AI tools here. And look for a tool called AI blog to video. Now go ahead and tap on it to open. So this will help us to convert blogs into videos. What we are only required to do is to paste the URL and then turn the blog post into an article, news report, and other writing content into a compelling video with AI. So let's go ahead and convert blog to video. And by the way, this is a free tool you can use. You don't have to upgrade for you to be able to use this tool. So once we get to this page, we have to paste here our URL or the article content. If you don't have the URL, you can go ahead and grab the article, paste it here. But for my case, I'm going to use a URL. So I'll use this function called from URL. So we have to post here our article link. So I'll paste it here. And here we go. And then you have to choose the style for the text. Now choose your preferred style. I'll choose this and then go ahead and tap on generate to convert the blog post into a video. So I'll go ahead and tap on generate and the generation process has begun. So be patient as it generates the video. Great. So this tool has gone ahead, analyzed our content, and here all the content has been extracted, ready for generating a video. Now you can see it went ahead and inserted videos automatically. So all you need to do is maybe to change these videos. If you're not comfortable with any of the videos used or images used, you can go ahead and replace it with yours. What you need to do to replace is to use this replace function, and this will take you to media, and you can choose an alternative that you want to use. For instance, you want to use this, just select it and then tap on replace, and that is it. So let's go ahead and see what will come out of this. Now to proceed, go ahead and tap on apply and then choose the format you want to apply your scenes, either by adding after the existing scene or replacing them all. I'll prefer the first one, add after the existing scenes, and then go ahead and tap on apply. Be patient as the video is being generated, and within a moment our video has been generated, the voice has been added, the images have been added. So let's wait for it to load and see what will come out of it. The video content have been loaded into our timeline. What we need to do is to give it a title. Once you have given it a title, go ahead and save. It's done. Now listen to our creation.
Our phones have become an essential part of our lives. Securing them against hackers has never been more important. Your phone holds a wealth of private data. While no device is completely immune to hacking attempts, there are steps you can take to greatly reduce your chances of being compromised. The first line of defense for your phone is a strong password. Instead, use a complex password.
Great. So let's go ahead and download the video. This is an article that has just been converted into a video, and you can listen into it up to the end.
By anyone within range. Install apps only from trusted sources. To minimize this risk, only download apps from trusted sources like the Google Play Store or Apple's App Store. Two-factor authentication, 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Enable 2FA for all accounts.
So our video is ready. All you need to do is to go ahead and download it. So to download your video, all you need to do is to go to export here. Tap on it. If you're using a free account, you'll only be able to download up to 720p. But if you have a paid account, you'll be able to download up to HD, which is 1080. So for my case, I have a paid account, and therefore I can download up to the highest quality of 4K. So go ahead and tap on export, and this will export, and then the video will be rendered and it will be downloaded directly to your computer. Then go upload it on YouTube or any other platform that you wish to share. So that's how you convert your article from your website into a video. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.